All right, so remember what I said, you guys. I'm back with a part 2 of the No Crank, No Start Pontiac G6 2008. So after I was, doing some messing around and shit like that, you know what I'm saying, I came to notice this. See, watch this. Like, I'm going to try to start it. Like how that light comes on, but then after a minute, it should go off here any minute. Hold on, I'm tripping. I forgot I just smoked a blunt, so I'm kind of high. Forgot I gotta take the key out and then put it back in and do it a second time. And then everything can come on. Well, not necessarily everything. Then I do it one more time. And then, you see, started right on up. Even though nothing still's operating, I'm not still seeing anything and nothing like that. But the car started up and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Still flickering and doing all that. So I don't know if it's my anti-theft system, could be. Like I said, it could just be the BCM, triggering the anti-theft to come on. But, I know a lot of you guys probably asking like, oh, the radio and woo, 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 woo. Well, I don't know about all of that because, I got an aftermarket radio, so my stuff will come on regardless.